Hello, I'm Meijing from the South Korea White Jade Meditation Center. I've been suffering from rheumatoid arthritis for 10 years. It mainly attacks my legs. It hurts to walk normally. It was as bad as being stabbed with a knife. The pain made me tremble with every step that I took. My legs made a robot-like noise when I walked. My left leg needed surgery. My right leg couldn't bend. I had to do warm-up exercises before getting out of bed in the morning. To put it simply, every joint ached. To prevent it from getting worse, I had to take medication that affected my immune system. Painkillers didn't work. Due to the high dose of medication, I became vulnerable to colds. Despite wearing many layers of clothing, I always felt cold. I also have indigestion and diarrhea. I don't know what to do. One day in February 2018, I saw Grandmaster Jean Bodhi's teaching on YouTube. When I heard that Bodhi Meditation could help with rheumatoid arthritis, so I was eager to try. Ever since I joined Bodhi Meditation, I chant and practice meditation every day. 2 to 3 months later, my body started to feel warmer. No more indigestion or diarrhea. How about the cold? No more cold. You don't catch a cold? Yes. My body can fight it now. In June 2018, I joined the Health and Happiness Retreat. Since then, it has stopped hurting and started to feel better. I can get out of bed easily in the morning. I can walk with ease. Even jumping is not a big deal anymore. It's miraculous. Grandmaster shared a foot bath recipe during a live stream last year. I tried it as soon as I saw it. 2 months later, my foot no longer feels numb. My inflammatory index went down from 10 to 2. Keep jumping like that and you will disturb your neighbor. The whole thing is miraculous. I feel so lucky to discover Grandmaster Jean Bodhi and Bodhi Meditation. Gratitude to Grandmaster.
정말 감사합니다.